Hi there, guys. Welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Strategist. So, after a long time, we are going to continue back the series on the top three picks. So, in today's topic, what we are going to discuss about is the top three penny stocks for this month. So, I hope this video will be useful for you, and let us get into the top three picks. So, all right, guys. So, the first script for the top three penny stocks will be SR Securities. So, what happened is the market was in a sideways momentum, as you can see. It was going in a sideways for quite some time now, and the market has now been able to break and close above the previous line of resistance. And not only closing above the resistance, the market was able to come and give a proper retracement as well. So the thing is, I'm expecting no, the volatility and the momentum to go ahead in the coming days, and we may expect next movement of uptrend. And the thing is, what I'm expecting from the next level of highs is so minimum it will be, I'm expecting around 15 rupees, and after 15 rupees I'm expecting around 25 rupees as target, and in between there is a little bit of resistance near 12 rupees. And so minimum like double the returns, and maybe if it goes to 25 we can expect 500 times return, and the ASR securities as well. And the thing is, it has given a proper fib retracement of 61.8% retracement, and the market started to move for a little higher from the previous support and the fib retracement level. So we can expect a huge momentum in the coming days, and hoping it'll go to a good level of returns for the investment. So let's wait and watch. So the next one is chart logistics. It's chartered logistics. Yeah. So as you can see, I've already drawn it. So chartered logistics has gone all the way up, and it is given a retracement of 78% retracement in the Fibonacci levels. And the thing is, it has formed a nice triangle pattern. And at the end of the triangle, we are at the end of the triangle now. So if the market is able to break above the triangle, that is around the level of 9 rupees 50 pies to 10 rupees. So we'll to round it off, we'll say 10 rupees. If the market is able to close above 10, we can expect a huge momentum in the script. So that is chartered logistics. So just wait for the trend line to be broken and the triangle pattern to be broken. And once the market is able to break the triangle pattern and close above it, then we can go for a buy. So that is my suggestion. All right. So the second one is chartered logistics, and the third one will be Vikas Eco Tech. So the third one is Vikas Ecotech Limited, and so in this, what happened is it is going in a huge trend line now. So minimum, I'm expecting the trend line can be hit around 7 rupees to 7 rupees 85 paise. That gives you almost around 40 to 50% on return on investment. And plus there are a few resistance. What I'm expecting is around 6 rupees 40 paise, and then 11 rupees 40 paise, and 15 rupees 90 paise. That is around 16 rupees. So if the market is able to break and close above the trend line, we can expect a huge number of target up to 16 rupees as well. So that is my that is what I can say from the technical point of view. So we can expect a huge momentum in the script, but the volumes are low. Just check whether you are able to go into the volume as well and buy it. And one more suggestion is, whenever you're going to invest in penny stocks, I always recommend that you also try to do your proper research and then try to invest in it. Don't put all the eggs in a single basket. Try to diversify your investment, and when it comes to penny stocks, try to put a little bit of amount and wait. And one more thing is, the penny stock is not like you buy today and you get a humongous returns tomorrow. It takes time. So if you are already following our channel, you would have seen that the previous suggestions like BCG, Inventure Growth, or Surat Textiles, all those have given a humongous return. But the thing is, those who have patiently waited for 6 to 7 months, they made a huge amount of return in those penny stocks. But the thing is, we have to wait. So if you're ready to wait and you're ready to invest with a proper risk to reward management, so these are some of the stocks in my portfolio which I am trying to look onto it. So if you want, you can also do your analysis and go ahead with these scripts. All right, so that is for the top three picks for this month. All right, guys. So this is the top three penny stocks for this month. So as I always advise, is that don't put all your capital in the penny stocks. Whatever the profits that you have made from your investment, try to take that profit and try to diversify into penny stocks. That is always safe when you're trading in penny stocks. All right. So that is my advice, and do your proper research as well and take your trades. All right. So I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.